My name's Carwyn Evans. I'm a visual artist based in Cardiff, and I'm here because I'm showing work in the new National Museum of Art, Cardiff. Yes, so behind me is an installation of 6,500 bird boxes, and it's a remake from a piece I did in 2002, but it became quite well known in 2003 when I showed it in the National Eisteddfod of Wales in Mayfod. And basically it's illustrating the housing policy of Ceredigion County Council. I'm from that county, but moved to Cardiff to study and then subsequently stayed on. But I keep on, looking back home and seeing how society and culture in general is changing. And I couldn't make sense of the council's plans to build this amount of houses over 15 years. So I wanted to illustrate it in some way and to get people to think for themselves about what they thought about the council's policy. So in order to do that, I had to build these bird boxes, and just playing on this idea that you set up bird boxes in your back gardens to try and entice birds to come and live there, or to live there temporarily. And because there were no restrictions on the new housing that was being developed in the county, I wanted to question whether that was for the local population or whether it was to entice a new population into the county. And the title comes from the Welsh proverb, Adar o'r unlliw eu hydant i'r unlle. So a literal translation would be birds of a feather flock together. So it kind of plays on that proverb as well. Basically, all the cardboard sections are die cut by a factory, and I've used the same factory that I used back in 2002. And then subsequently, I have to fold up all those kind of shapes together and glue them together with hot glue. And it takes about, I think I worked flat out for 2 weeks just to get this work ready with not many good night's sleep, a few hours sleep every night. And then it took about an hour and a half to install it in place.
I'm Mike Tooby. I'm Director Learning Programmes and Development for Amgueddfa Cymru. One of the exciting opportunities that having an integrated set of galleries across the National Museum as National Museum Art gives us is the possibility of interaction between different spaces. So here we are in the Landscape Gallery, a thematic gallery on the east wing of the building, which looks at the subject of the landscape in Wales. Typically we have all sorts of art in this gallery, from the 17th and 18th centuries to the present day, dominated, as you can see, by paintings, but also sculpture, objects, ephemera such as travel books and writing, and plates and souvenirs, all of which evokes the way people have responded to the image of the Welsh landscape.
What's nice about walking through the gallery is that you get the sense of the agony and the ecstasy that you get from looking at a landscape. Sometimes it can be really beautiful and you just want to absorb the view, and at other times it kind of either fills you with dread or burden, the fact that things are changing. It really means a lot to have my work exhibited in the museum, and the fact that it's going through this new phase now, the National Museum of Art in Cardiff. It's just quite incredible that there's these kind of treasures of art in Wales that don't get to see the light of day. So it's great that there's a new display, that there's a new programme of exhibitions that is dedicated to showing the best of contemporary work that is from Wales but also has resonance and relevance to Wales.